What's up, everyone? Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. I really appreciate your constant support. And if you're coming for the first time, you know that voice inside your head that's telling you to subscribe? Yes, listen to that voice and subscribe, and go ahead and press that notification bell beside the subscription button so that you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Now, I want to know how many of you actually eat your serving of fruits and vegetables on a daily basis. I mean, like your two or so serving of fruits and vegetables that you're supposed to eat. How much of you actually eat it? Now, smoothies are a great way to pack all that nutrients into one drink, and I'm going to be showing you two easy smoothie recipe. It's so easy, you're going to thank me later. So just stay tuned for that. So our first and main ingredients, fruits. So we don't always have access to the fruits that we want when we want them, maybe because they don't grow in the area that we live in, or they're simply not in season, or you just can't be bothered to go to the market to get them. And when you do, they don't usually last for a very long time. A quick way to fix that is with frozen fruits. Frozen fruits are usually picked and packaged at their peak of ripeness, stored, and that way you have them to use for many days to come. You can make your own frozen fruits from simply washing, packaging, and putting them in the freezer to last you for a long time, or you can purchase them. I got this package from PriceSmart, and as you can see, it's a mixed pack. So it has a variety of fruits like mangoes, pineapples, strawberries, and this is a variety of berries that I really like. And I got this, like I said, from PriceSmart. So we're gonna start this. So you can use water if you like, but I love coconut water in my smoothie. It adds that really nice flavor to it, and it has nutrients, so why not? This is completely optional, but you can add whatever flavorings you like, whether it be some lime or some lemon juice. Right now I'm adding some ginger because I really love the zest that it gives it. Of course, you're going to adjust the amount of water that you use depending on the consistency that you're looking for. And you can definitely add some ice to the blend if you're looking for an icy smoothie. But you have to be careful because you don't want to change the flavor of the smoothie. And this is my fruit punch smoothie, quick and easy. I usually get my coconut water fresh from the market, so I usually ask them to remove the meat. So I'm going to add some of that coconut meat to this smoothie. Berries usually have very tiny seeds, and if you have a blender like mine, which is not the best, it's not a high-speed blender, so it doesn't have the ability to cut through the seeds to give me that even texture. So I have to go in and strain out those seeds so that I can get a smooth, even consistency that I'm really looking for and that you're expecting in a smoothie. And this is my very berry smoothie, guys. You can have it right away, you can put it to chill, or you can prep it and have it on the go as a meal. And I would really love to hear from you. What are some of the quick and easy smoothie recipes that you really go for? And how do you go around not having the fruit that you love? How do you go around that when you're making your smoothie? I'd love to hear from you. So just leave that in the comment section below. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe and click that notification bell. Until next time, I'm your girl Momo. Take care.